Students, welcome to your channel. Students, today we are going to start practice set number 4. Okay, on page number 6, we have already completed practice number 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you have not yet seen, please check the previous video also. I'll put up a link, okay, in the I button. So let's start our new video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, okay, share and comment also. So let's start our new video. Okay, in the previous practice set number 3, only one angle is given. Now here in practice set number 2, two angles are given and one side is given. So 4 questions are there. We are going to complete all the 4 questions, and the first question we'll write the steps for constructions also. Okay, so let's start the first question. I already written the question in the notebook. So let's ready with the scale, okay, protractor and compass also. Okay, so these are the instruments we require to complete these questions. So let's start. Now the first question says that, okay, in triangle SAT, angle length AT is equal to 6.4 centimeter. Measure of angle A is 45 degree, and measure of angle T is 105 degrees. So what we do is, first we draw the rough figure. Okay, rough figure, how our final figure look like. So rough figure is mandatory. Okay, so this is the figure. One triangle is there. Okay, now see here, length AT is 6.4 centimeters. So we'll take AT as a base. Okay, 6.4 centimeter, and measure of angle A is 45 degrees. So angle A, we need to take it 45 degree, and angle T here is 105 degree. So our angle is triangle MAT is the required triangle. Okay, SAT here S. Okay, so SAT is the required triangle. So this is the rough figure. Okay, so let's start our fair figure now. So what we do is, first we draw a line of AT 6.4 centimeters. So let's draw a line exactly into the center, 6.4 centimeter. Okay, so 6 point, see here, 6 and a half. This is 6.4 centimeter. Okay, so write down AT, step by step we'll go. AT 6.4 centimeter. Now in place of angle A, okay, we'll write as a center, we'll take angle A as a 45 degrees. So we need to use the protractor here. Okay, so see the protractor, we need to put into the center here. Okay, and take the 45 degree. 45 degree, this is 40 and 50. In between 40 and 50, this is a 45 degree. Now we need to join the point and with the angle A. See your angle A is now 45 degree. We got it. Okay, now again with the angle T. Okay, angle T, we need to take the angle, see exactly center we need to put it. Okay, this point and this line should be exactly straight. Now 105 degrees. So 105 degrees is an obtuse angle, that is more than 90 degrees. So in between 100 and 110, it's 105 degrees. So we need to give one point over here. Okay, and then we need to join it, that point and angle T. Okay, so this is our triangle SAT. We need to put here 105 degrees. So students, how simple it is. Okay, so we write the steps for construction also for the first question, as we normally do in the other practice set also. Okay, so we'll write steps for construction. Very simple, very easy. Okay, steps for construction. So what are the first steps? What is the first steps? We draw a line AT of 6.4 centimeters. So draw a line AT of 6.4 centimeter. Okay, then after that with center A, right, we draw a angle, okay, SAT, right, of 45 degrees. So we'll write, you can put here angle anything. So this is X and suppose this is Y. Okay, So this is angle X SAT, okay, and this is angle YTA, okay. So we'll write here second point. We have to assume point X and Y, okay. So we have to write here with A as center, with A, this angle A as center, okay. We need to draw angle XAT. Angle XAT is equal to 45 degree, okay. You can write angle A also, that is not an issue, okay. Into the third point, now with T as a center, okay, draw YTA as 105 degrees. So again, with T as center, draw angle YTA is equal to 105 degree, okay. Now the last point, fourth point, okay. Now let this YT and XA, okay, meet at point S, okay. So let YT and XA meet at point S, meet at point S, right? It should be intersect at point S. Now after that, so therefore the triangle name is SAT. So SAT will form as a triangle. So this is our required triangle. So we need to write here triangle SAT is the required triangle. Okay, see how it is very simple. So in this way you have to solve first question. Okay, second, third and fourth question I am not writing the steps for construction. So you need to write it the steps for constructions in all our questions for your understanding purpose. Okay, now let's go ahead with the next question. So second question is also very simple, very easy. Okay, what we do is first we draw the rough figure. Okay, so what the rough figure says that in triangle MNP, length MP 5.2, measure of angle N 70 degree and P is 45 degrees. So we'll start our answer first with the rough figure. So in the rough figure, we'll draw one triangle here. Okay, with the free hand, you have to draw with the scale. So now you see here, this is NP is given. So we need to write here length MP 5.2 centimeter. Measure of angle N is 70 degrees. So 70 degree we need to take measure of angle, and then P is 40 degree. Okay, so it's simple. So our required triangle is MNT. So this is MNP, our required triangle. So what we do is, first of all, we need to take a 5.2 centimeter on the scale. So this is 5.2 centimeter we are going to take as a length. Okay, so this is 5 and this is 2 mm is 5.2. Okay, so this is 5.2 centimeter of NP. So we need to write here 5.2 centimeter. Now again we need to take the protractor because we need to take first angle N as 70 degree. So put our protractor exactly on the point of, on the edge of N. Okay, and 70 degree because it is an acute angle less than 90 degree. So we need to join this point and with the N. Okay, so this is your angle 70 degree. Okay, now same process we need to follow on the P. Length P is, measure of angle P is 40 degree. Okay, so we need to take measure of angle 40 degree. Okay, so where exactly the 40 degree? So 40 degree is here. Okay, so what we do is we'll join this point P and this point. Okay, so this is our required triangle. This is length, measure of angle P is 40 degree. Okay, and this is M and P. Okay, normally we write here this point X and this is point Y. Okay, so this is our required triangle. And similarly, you can write the steps for constructions also. Okay, it's very simple, very easy. Okay, now let's go ahead with the third one. Third one also same. First we draw the rough figure. Okay, so EG is given here. Now see, it's very important part here. EG, first we draw the rough figure, then I'll explain you what exactly it is. Rough figure. So into the rough figure, if you see carefully here, this is EG. Okay, so EG is given 6 centimeter. Okay, now see here, measure of angle F is, so suppose here F, measure of angle F is 65 degree here. Okay, measure of angle G is 45 degree here. Okay, so here measure of angle E is missing. So if you know that the sum of a measure of angle is 180 degree, so 65 plus 45 is 110. Okay, so if you subtract from 180, it will give you 70 degrees. So measure of angle E we need to take as a 70 degree. Okay, and understood everyone? So we'll solve it also. So we'll write here property of sum of, so we write here sum of measure of angle, sum of measure of angle is 180 degree. Okay, so what we do is measure of angle F E G. So angle F plus angle E plus angle G is equal to 180 degree. So we need to write here angle F plus angle E plus angle G is equal to 180 degree, because it is the property of sum of measure of angle. So angle F we need to, it's given 65 degrees, so we need to write here 65 degree. Angle E we don't have, plus angle G is given 45 degree. Okay, is equal to 180 degree. So both these angle we need to add it. So 65 plus 45 is 110 degree, plus angle E is remaining is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so take out angle E. So angle E is equal to 180 degree plus 110, we need to shift over there, to it becomes minus 110. So therefore length E is equal to 180 minus 110 is 70 degree. Okay, so we have written here angle E as a 70 degree. Now we'll start our construction. Okay, what we do is first we take a line of 6 centimeter EG. So we are drawing here 6 centimeter. See here 6 centimeter of length EG. So carefully we need to write slowly. Okay, so this is 6 centimeter EG according to the rough figure, 6 centimeter. Now we have to take as a measure of angle E as a 70 degree. We got it in the rough work. Okay, so exactly on the edge of E and straight this one. So 70 degree, again it is an acute angle because it's less than 180 degree, less than 90 degree. So again we need to join it here. Okay, so this we got an angle E is 70 degree. Okay, and G is 45 degree. So again we need to take the center of protractor. Okay, and G straight line. So it's a 45 degree. 45 degree comes in 40 and 50 in between. Okay, so again we need to join it here. So we need to join this G. Okay, so this is nothing but your 45 degree and this is 60 degree. If you add all the three values, you got it, the sum of measure of angle is 180 degree. Okay, suppose this will give point X and this is Y. Okay, and this is our required triangle is F. So FEG is the required triangle. I hope you understood all the three questions, and this is the third question. Okay, so one more question is left. So let's take the one more question also. So this is also very simple. What we do is, the first step is we need to take the rough figure. So analytical figure is very important. So rough figure, what the side given XY. So XY is 7.3. So we'll draw a rough figure here first. With the free hand, you can draw with the scale 7.3 centimeter XY. Okay, the measure of angle X is 34 degree. Again acute angle, and measure of angle Y is 95 degree. Okay, and this is the required triangle is XY and this is Z. Okay, so it's very simple. Again what we need to do is we need to take a measure of 7.3 centimeter. Okay, so 7.3 centimeter exactly at the center of the book or center of the page. This 7 and this is 0.3. Okay, so this is 7.3 XY side line. Okay, 7.3 centimeter. Okay, now what we do is use the protractor and we need to take 34 degree. So this is the protractor. Okay, so this is exactly on the edge of the x. Okay, 34 degree, this is 30 and this is 34. Okay, so draw a line, extend to the point. So this is your 34 degree. Okay, so one more length is measure of angle y is 95 degree. So again we need to put with the use of the protractor on the edge of the y exactly at the center of the line. So this is 95 degree. So this is 90 and this is 0.5. Okay, so this is 95 degree. So what we do is we'll join this line, this point, slightly slant of 90 degree. Okay, we'll extend these lines also because in the steps of construction we need to intersect it. Okay, so this is x, y, z required triangle. X and y we already taken. So suppose this point may be A and B. Okay, here write 95 degree. So this is the required triangle, friends. Okay, so I hope you understood this video. If you like the video, please comment it. Okay, and share also this video. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Okay, so in the next video, practice set number 5 we are going to take. Okay, so thank you very much. Take care of yourself.